Oh, you're gonna be stuck as a motherfucker.
What'd he say?
I didn't hear him.
He's so gonna be stuck.
Can't turn it.
Oh, can't turn it.
Oh.
Oh, if he flips it, make sure you got it on videotaping.
Huh?
Roll it!
Go ahead and roll it. It's okay. We got the camera running.
It's starting to look that way.
That's fine. That's fine. That'll be okay. You'll be okay.
Keep your arms inside.
Yeah, keep your arms inside.
Go ahead, quiet. Turn up the hill.